Magnuson. I'm the auto collision repair instructor here at Southwestern, and today we're here to celebrate the achievements of a student in our collision repair program and thank a donor who made this all possible. Lukas is from Emerson and has been a student in the collision repair program since the fall of 2020. We first met Lukas at a corner conference automotive fair where we were first able to introduce him into our programs. Luke is an East Mills High School May 2020 graduate. In June 2021, Luke earned his diploma in auto collision repair refinish from Southwestern. He will graduate at the end of this year, earning an Associate of Applied Science degree. Following graduation, he plans to enter the job market within the collision repair field. With a cumulative GPA of 4.0, Luke has been named to the President's List every semester at Southwestern.
My name is Jeff Sorensen. Welcome, glad you're here. I'm one of the automotive instructors here at Southwestern, and I've watched Lukas over the last year, and then this year, 2 years, have him as a student, and it's been quite a pleasure to have you. Keep up the good work. Lukas is being recognized today at SWCC Tech Achiever, thanks to the generosity of the Education Foundation donor and former SWCC student Niall Cornelison of Minneapolis. As part of this recognition, Luke is being awarded, and you're taking the cover off of the toolbox, with a career starter tool set, including a Homac toolbox with 357 tools and the Speedway Motors promo items that go along with that. Let's see, with Luke's favorite vehicle pictured on the front of the vehicle down there. So I don't know if you realize you picked it out. Magnuson tricked you a time or two. Luke will receive a congratulations card from Homac with a special message and a 20% discount for when Luke is ready to invest in additional storage. Niall, who has made a name for himself in the automotive industry, attended Southwestern, known at that time as the Creston Junior College. From 1960 to 1962, Niall started an automotive parts business in Creston and sold to auto enthusiasts across the Midwest. In 2014, he was elected to the SEMA Hall of Fame for his continuous training and hard work. It was 2015 when Niall sold his business, and as he says, I moved into give back mode. Niall has donated to the SWCC Education Foundation in the form of scholarships, and this will be his 6th toolbox donation to the program. He has also donated a toolbox display model to show future students as they consider careers in the automotive industry. And last fall at the Automotive Open House, there was a green toolbox that was on display for everyone to see. Let's see, and just trying to attract students or potential students to get them excited about being in the automotive field. And so with that said, I'll turn it over to you.
Good morning, I'm Cole Vogel. I'm also an automotive repair instructor here at Southwestern Community College. Lukas was selected for this award based on a number of key factors. He has an amazing, exceptional attendance, good grades, takes excellent care of his tools, and has amazing character with a strong work ethic. We know he will be in the field for a very long period of time. Luke is the son of Kimberly Steinman of Emerson. I believe she's here with us. Yeah, right there. He is employed by Gary's Body Shop in Henderson, owned and operated by Gary Runyon. I believe he's also here, possibly. Paul Howard is Luke's mentor, and we are happy to have him here today as well. Niall's hope is to continue and expand the Career Starter Toolset program in the future. Thank you to Niall Cornelison, and congratulations to Lukas Moore for being the 2022 Career Starter Toolset SWCC Tech Achiever. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yep.
the real question is, how will this help you?
So the barrier to entry in a lot of shops is, it's pretty high for young technicians, starting out buying a box. Any box, isn't cheap. Tools aren't cheap. Even cheap tools aren't cheap. And being able to work and make money and be productive in a shop, you need to have a good set of tools, and good tools aren't cheap. So it helps get a jump start into your career, and I'm very appreciative of it. So thank you a lot.
You're certainly welcome.